Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your VIVO X300 Ultra. First, disable and enable adaptive brightness in settings. Go to display brightness and eye protection where you'll find auto brightness. Turn it off and then on again. Next, clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera with a microfiber cloth. After cleaning, restart the phone to refresh the sensors by pressing the power button and volume up button, then swiping to restart. The phone is restarting. After the restart, check for software updates as a last resort. Go to Settings, swipe down to System Update, and make sure you're on the latest version. Updating is important to remove any old glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.